Whether you think you can, or you think you can, you're right. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. Failure is only the opportunity, more intelligently, to begin again. If I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said, faster horses. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. Vision without execution is just hallucination. When everything seemed to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. Any customer can have a car painted any color that he wants, so long as it is black. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Chop your own wood, and it will warm you twice. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. There are three things that grow more precious with age: old wood to burn, old books to read, and old friends to enjoy. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. There is no disgrace in honest failure, there is disgrace in fearing to fail. A business absolutely devoted to service will have only one worry about profits. They will be embarrassingly large. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. There is joy in work. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. Everything comes to him who hustles while he waits. Money doesn't make us anyway, it just unmasks us. Givers have to set limits, because takers rarely do. You don't have to hold a position in order to be a leader. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. I cannot discover that anyone knows enough to say definitely what is and what is not possible. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. Money is like an arm or leg, use it or lose it. To see a thing clearly in the mind makes it begin to take form. It is not the employer who pays the wages. Employers only handle the money. It is the customer who pays the wages. Experience is the think of supreme value. As we serve our jobs, we serve the world. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time, more intelligently. The one aim of these financiers is world control by the creation of inextinguishable debt. Speculation into thing already produced, that is not business. Faith without action is delusion. Faith does not wait for miracles, but produces them. The ability to know how to get the information is more important than using the mind as a garage of facts. Everybody wants to be someplace he ain't. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man will have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. True education is gained through the discipline of life. Strive for minimum waste, minimum profit, maximum distribution. Progress through cautious, well-founded experiments. If a device would save in time 10%, or bring about results worth 10%, then its absence is worth 10%. The difficulty is not in finding men to advance, but men willing to be advanced. Without scientific study, an employer does not know why he is paying a wage, and the employee does not know why he is getting it. It has been my observation that most people get ahead during the time that others waste. You are not saving when you prevent yourself from becoming more productive.